vision, and through your grace, guidance, and countless blessings, we are privileged to take this first step toward making it a reality. Lord, we dedicate this land and this project to you. We ask for your divine presence and blessing every overstage of its construction. Grant wisdom to everyone involved, the architects, the contractors, engineers, workers, and suppliers, and all those who will contribute to its success. Protect every person who will work on this site. Keep them safe from harm, grant them good health, and let every task be carried out with excellence, honesty, and unity. Bless this project with steady progress, favorable weather, sufficient resources, and successful completion. May it stand as a testimony of your faithfulness and become the place that creates opportunities, serves others, and bring lasting blessings to our